guys, it's a little squishy, and I just got a package, and I wanted to show you the squishies I got from the package. Okay, I got multiple different types, different brands of squishies. I'll just start with this. It's the new mochi seal. It's really cute packaging. And then let me just open it and actually get the seal out. So it's like a little box. So it's like a takeout box. It's so cute. So here's the seal. I got the chocolate ice cream scented one. And these mini ones do have a magnet in them. So if you get 2 mini seals, they can stick together. Or if you just have a fridge, you can put it on your fridge, I guess. So there's the seal. Okay, my dad opened this package, he forgot, so he kind of ripped it. He kind of cut it when there was a sealer to it. And yeah, so as you know, it's the I Bloom Orange. I can't tell, but if you know, I can't tell either. I got one that didn't have scent. Can you tell me if you have one and it has a scent to it? Because mine doesn't have a scent. So can you leave me saying yes or no? It does not have a scent. Please. So then I have this Puni Maru Jumbo Bakery Big Bread Strawberry. I have also another one of these big ones, but I took it out of the box. So I'll just show you the box and then the squishy. So it has like this packaging that comes in this. And if you order from Silly Squishies, it gives you the box, but you have to build it yourself. My dad did it, but I bet you it's like simple. So here it is. It's so squishy. And I'll just show you the texture. Isn't that so textured? I love this. And I love the scent. The back smells like the I Bloom strawberry. And then the front smells like coffee and strawberries. It's weird. I don't really know. Maybe from the cornet I got. Because I think this one is coffee scented. Like the little cat face smells like coffee. And then this smells like chocolate. Chocolate and coffee. The cornet itself. It's really squishy. The little cat is squishy. And look at the texture. And like this is like bigger than my head. Like it could be in my pillow. It's so big. And I love it. And this one could be my pillow too. Like it's so big. Like as big as my face. So then I have the Billy the Whale. And I thought the Billy was going to be peach scented like the Millie. But it isn't. It's mint scented. And if you buy them both like I did, you gotta smell the packaging or do this little trick that I learned, like seal Billy's package and leave Millie's package open. like if you have them together. But his face is so adorable. I love how he's blue. And actually, I think he smells better than my I Bloom donut that I have. It's also many scented. So here's Millie. Well, I won't bore you with packaging. But here she is. I love the scent. It's really adorable. And then, look, one has a heart on it and one doesn't. It's kind of weird. And surprisingly, Billy is squishier than Millie. I don't get it. Well, can you please tell me about the orange down below in the comments? And thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.